Sonus Faber just put out a new speaker lineup. Now, the model we are looking at is the Sonetto G2. They've just announced it. It's one of their best speakers they've put out in a while now, considering they only make very high-end speakers. They claim that the build of this Sonetto will be taken directly from their flagship. The thing here is that they want to have some of the qualities of their flagship loudspeakers in this particular more budget model. The Sonetto won't be very expensive. It definitely will match so many people's budget, considering what Sonus Faber used to put out. This is an entry level loudspeaker to an extent, because a price tag starts out from £1,150 all the way up just to £8,000. This is not the most expensive loudspeaker this brand puts out. In fact, they even have speakers that go all the way up to 700 plus $1,000. You know, 700 plus $1,000. It all depends on what you want to buy. For instance, their top of the line, their flagship Suprema speaker system is $700,000, and they claim that this Sonetto G2 will incorporate some driver technology and materials that has been used in this flagship. So this is like getting the best of both worlds without spending so much money to get it. That's what the company claims that they've tried to work on with this new release. They claim that they've also worked on the design of this model. They're going to be using new driver technology with better materials, combined with the brand's 40 years of expertise in the audio business, and this is what you have. Now, in this series, you will have two stand mount speakers. You will have three floor standing speakers. You will also have a center channel speaker system. It all depends on what you want to buy. There is also going to be a wall mounted speaker. So you have seven types of speakers, seven models that you get in this Sonetto G2 series. They give you a lot of options, and they go on to state that the Sonetto II is going to feature internal cork chamber that has been introduced in the company's flagship Suprema system. They go on to state that the 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 shape of this chamber is unlike the regular interior speaker walls, and this allows for seamless flow of sound waves within the chamber. It even lets Sonus Faber to have more precise control over sound propagation and resonance. This is what they claim they've worked on to give you the best in this Sonetto 2 series. So you don't spend so much time thinking about what their Suprema series could sound like. I understand, that high-end speakers will definitely be very expensive, but most people will never be able to buy those insanely expensive loudspeakers. People still need things that they can afford. They go on to claim that these speakers, this new Sonetto speaker series, they will also feature a Camellia mid-range driver that is also derived from the Suprema speaker system, which is their flagship speaker system. Like I said before, that speaker lineup costs $700,000 and above. It all depends on what you want to get from the Suprema lineup. It's a beast of a flagship. Now they go on to claim that they even have an aluminum face plug that helps to achieve smoother frequency response and clear clear sound delivery no matter where you're sitting in the room. This thing will allow you to even set it up in a Dolby Atmos setup. Like if you want a Dolby Atmos system, it will allow you to do that as well. There are unique floral patterns surrounding the woofer slash bass drivers that are there, but not just for decoration, but they claim to reduce interference. You know, you get very good build with this system. Everything you need is there for you, for you to have. Now, in terms of pricing, if you want the bookshelf, the G2 two-way bookshelf, it is going to be $2,000, or around £1,750 in the UK. If you want the Sonetto G2 two-way bookshelf speaker that is slightly bigger, the version 2, it's going to be 2,200 pounds and around $2,750. You know, if you want the floor standing two and a half way model, that is $4,500. If you want the three-way floor standing speaker, it's $6,500. If you want the bigger three-way floor standing speaker, it's $8,000. If you want the center channel Sonetto G2 speaker system, it is $1,500. In fact, in the UK, it's £2,250. So it's more expensive in the UK than in the US. If you want the wall version, the one that you mount on the wall, the Sonetto Wall G2, it is $1,500 and around £1,150 in the UK. Then finally, if you want a stand for the bookshelves, you can pay $900 to get the stands from the company if you want to buy directly from them. Look, I'll drop details for you guys because I know most people will be interested in this series. Do check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.